Ay caramba! Our 2021 Cedar Creek has arrived. This is a 360RL rear living. Let's take a look. The dual power awnings with LED lights, frameless windows. That solid step is spring loaded. Okay guys, so I've been told that my videos are sometimes a little too fast. So I'm gonna see if I can take my time on this one. That's good, all the ADHD kicking in. All right, we got daytime and nighttime shades. Theater seats, those are power reclining. This is Allure furniture. Fireplace, huge TV, that looks like a 50-inch to me. Fan. Wow, 4-burner stove, oven, microwave. Of course, we have 2 other chairs that come with. That table does extend too. Wow, what a great spot for a coffee maker. Lots and lots of storage. Take a look at this pantry. And Cedar Creek definitely does things right. That is some solid wood right there. We have an LG residential style fridge. Ta-da! And ice maker. The quality of the cabinets in the Cedar Creek are absolutely unreal. Look at those beautiful LED lights here. Some here. In the floor right there is absolutely terrific. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Huge double sink, or at least 2 taps to it. All right, and in the entryway we have a closet, nice and deep. Your control panel. That is for the solar panels. Let's go now to the bedroom. Check out the room in here. All right, to the bedroom next. There's those 2 chairs underneath the bed. Beautiful bed here. Take a look over here. TV, drawers. We got an auxiliary heater. Take a look at this closet. It is prepped for a washer dryer. Lots of space for shoes. Literally a walk-in closet. I'm inside. There is your booster for the Wi-Fi. Absolutely beautiful. Cedar Creek. You got things done right. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.